Hello there and welcome to this video. My name is Selim NAIT and I work for SAP France as an account executive in charge of the innovation platform. And today I am going to talk about the modern data platform. In most industries, established competitors and new entrants will leverage data-driven strategies to innovate, compete and capture value. On top of this growing need, it's no secret that the amount of data you must manage is growing dramatically as well. In fact, it's growing at a rate of 80% every year. The impact of this data explosion is hard to conceptualize. Managing, ensuring the validity, and making sense of all that data is a hard task. And its need for analytics by a growing base of users coupled with increasing volumes and the variety of data is creating a flashpoint. Let's focus on how companies are addressing that flashpoint. Based on Gartner analysis, companies are managing a bimodal IT. Mode 1 is optimized for areas that are more predictable and well understood. It focuses on exploiting what is known while renovating the legacy environment into a state that is fit for a digital world. Mode 2 is exploratory, experimenting to solve new problems and optimize for areas of uncertainty. Both play an essential role in the digital transformation. Existing data management infrastructure constrains business agility. In fact, legacy architecture is fundamentally inadequate to meet today's challenges of new data types, data volume growth, data combinations. That is where we need a modern data platform. What do we need in a modern data platform? What is needed is a separate layer of speed that allows fast innovation, ease of consumption, and freedom to build analytics across all many types of data that we need to handle in today's ever-changing world. Combining business application data with insight and engagement for real-time analytics. Agility, but with governance and security. Let's take a look at what a typical environment looks like. First, every customer has transactional system, your trusted system of record. Data that is structured and organized. It can be based on classical ERP, SAP for example, or other legacy solutions. In the other side of the transactions is what you have in your environment supporting your business operational reporting and analytics. Enterprise analytics consisting of data warehouses, data marts, where you could be using or a mixture of several different databases supporting this environment. This accounts for about 10% of the data that your organization is dealing with. This is the world that most companies have lived in the 20 to 30 years. Now, here is the challenge that your company is facing. As data has grown incredibly fast in the 5-10 years, what you have in the bottom is an ocean of all this new data available to us. This is the other 90% of available context data. All the additional data that comes in, and it is unfiltered water, a variety of data types. Capturing this data as it is happening is important. Today, the way this system are architected is a very different environment. This is where Hadoop infrastructures live or other big data systems, and the real challenge begins for managing and gaining insight out of all the murky data that lives there, where quality is suspect for the digital data. Example, let's use a retail company. Are you capturing sentiment information when your customers are trying to interact with you? Where are you putting all of that information? How are you generating value out of this information? This is where the next level of business processes improvement is going to occur with new innovation to create new business process and new efficiencies will be monetized. The problem is, to get the value piece in the middle, you have to link all the data together. Ultimately, this is about driving a business outcome. It's about making you, your line of business teams, and your organization as a whole more successful by giving them the power to turn big data into intelligent data and to use this to revolutionize the way you collectively make decisions across the enterprise. If you can successfully achieve this, the reward can be huge. Nucleus Research estimates a potential return on investment of $10 for every $1 spent on analytics. We need new approaches to simplify this complexity that has been built over the decades. An architecture, a modern data platform that supports bimodal IT, standardized application, plus rapid innovation, and a platform that minimizes data duplication. integrating radically simplified data access without moving data from place to place in order to act on it. We need compute capabilities where the data lives or sleeps instead of copying and duplicating data to the other system. Do you know why SAP is better placed to any other vendor to do this? Today, undoubtedly, you have operational data stores that exist under the ERP, transactional system, and line of business application, data warehouses, another stack for data mart that exists across all these warehouses, and a data lake, maybe Hadoop also. This is very complex. SAP, for the first 35 years of our existence, we really innovated in these core areas, ERP and line of business. SAP has accomplished a radical rethink of how we build enterprise system. It is technically differentiated from other systems, and it provides significant new business capabilities for companies to use. New business capabilities include being able to handle more data, broader and deeper, to get faster results, to be able to get those results in real time, and to do this more easily and productively than with other traditional systems. SAP provides a modern data platform for your data tier to consolidate information, integrate it, and deliver it much more quickly to the business consumer in a simplified way. SAP is a company that not only provides business suite solution, but an agility to engage your user, provide insight, deliver wherever they want for data to decision in real time. How do we achieve this? Our SAP customers are using a combination of several key components. First one, enterprise data management. A key requirement to better facilitate reporting and analysis, integrates data store, volume of data, and serves it up rapidly without impacting operational and analytical systems. For example, SAP HANA, logical data modeling, smart data integration, streaming of data, analytic engine, advanced analytics, machine learning, Sybase. This is the enterprise data management. Second part, the enterprise information management. The primary focus here is on delivering trusted information to the organization for consumption by a variety of application and business users, turning data into decision quality information you can trust. For example, AEM. Third point, insight and engagement. Delivers a set of capability that can be used by using professional businesses to have integrative view of corporate and context information for decision making, turning information into insight for better decision making. For example, machine learning, G application, predictive analytics, mobility, UX, IoT. 4 points, big data analytics. Enterprise ready, easy to use, in-memory distributed computing solution to help organizations uncover actionable insight from big data, thus allowing LOBs to unlock the potential of their data by providing one logical view across all the data, corporate and new data sources stored in data lakes. For example, HANA Vora, Hadoop, Spark, big data, enterprise analytics, scalable choices with integration to HANA. Fifth point, enterprise cloud services. Develop services that are integrated and tested, thereby reducing infrastructure complexity to develop, deploy, and manage your analytics on data lakes and enterprise data. Option to reduce time and cost by simplifying your Hadoop and Spark environment through managed infrastructure. This is done with SAP Cloud Platform and SAP Big Data Services, known as Altiscale, and Business Objects Cloud. Sixth point, analytic and business applications. Propose built role and industry-specific applications that provide information in context with a rapid time to value, delivering an environment where the integrating data from different data silos from transaction and data lakes turns information specific to optimization, operational, financial planning, forecasting, and reporting, using insight and informed decision to drive strategy and alignment. For example, predictive maintenance, real-time analytics, sales forecasting, Ariba, Concur, Fieldglass. And seventh point, collaboration. You can engage with your team, your organization, or your extended network to collaboratively make decisions and take coordinating action through a digital core. we really want to go deeper in that conversation and talk about specific points or strategic priorities in your organization. Let's organize a workshop or work on a business case specific to your company together. We really want to help you innovate and run simple.